If you want to see your children to be given noble education and training with modern subjects in Islamic style, there is such educational institution whose name is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Charitable Educational Trust, Makacet, which is located at 7th Mile, Dendulur Mandal, Eluru District, is just 12 kilometers away from Eluru town. Under the shade of the Makacet, Jamia Manbaul Huda, MAKA High School and MAKA Junior College are imparting both Arabic and modern educations simultaneously. Makacet focuses on every child, making each and every moment special and knowledgeable. The qualified and experienced faculty are instrumental in ensuring the students enjoy learning both the educations. The spacious classrooms, digital classes, library, department labs and computer literacy programs help students attain abundant knowledge in respective subjects. With the help of the knowledge secured by getting involved in Islamic activities, students will also be able to come up with many science projects on their own to excel in expos. Moreover, students at Makacet are trained in art of public speaking. To improve the physical fitness of students, sports are given much importance, introducing horse riding classes as well. Well-furnished hotel rooms with limited beds, dining hall accommodating more than 1,000 students at one go, hygienic food, laundry, medical facilities round the clock, and electronic surveillance of entire institution make students feel as if they were at home. The complete process of administration has been digitalized to track the status of learning of students and keep the parents updated about their child's progress. Admissions are available in both residential and day scholar modes. Make a wise decision. Give your children best education they deserve. Let your children take first step towards success by joining them into Makacet. Why wait? Visit Makacet at any time.